Hi guys, welcome to Tech Pros with yet another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to craft a Militech Canto Mk6. So I have created a separate video on how to get this Mk6 during this somewhat damaged mission. But however, you might miss to collect that behavioral chip of robot. So if you don't have these both, the Cyberwear blueprint, I mean the Militech Canto Mk6 blueprint, and also this behavioral chip of the robot, you won't be able to craft this. So what you get in that mission is just not the Mk6 itself, it's just its blueprint. So you need to craft it. To craft this, you also need the behavioral chip of the robot that you need to collect at the end of the mission, where robot is shut down. So after collecting both the blueprint and the behavioral chip after the mission, and you get a weird call from some anonymous, then you need to go to Kabuki, the net runner, I think, right? So then where you need to give this, the mission is called the corrosion, I think so, I don't remember. Yeah, I think it's the corrosion. So then in that mission you need to go to this netrunner, then you need to give this behavioral chip to this person, then he will or she will decrypt it. Then after that you can actually craft Militech Canto Mk6 from your crafting section of the game. So here we are. So to create so this is how you actually craft the Militech Mk6. What you needed to do is just go to the crafting, then here you should see the blueprint here, where you need this decoded behavioral chip that you collected from that bot. That's called Cerberus or something or whatever. So you need to collect this chip. If you miss this chip, you will have to do the mission all over again. You know how spooky and scary that mission was. Okay, anyway, and you need at least 50 of this tier 5 item component, but you can actually craft them too. Craft that if you don't have enough of that tier 5 component, you can actually craft that using this component if you have enough of them. So to craft one tier 5 component, you need at least 5 of this tier 4 component. So to craft this, just tap, then you can actually decide how many of these components you actually need. And if you don't have this component enough, you can actually craft them using if you have the blueprint of this component, you just hit this, then you see that it shows this item tier 3 item component. That's the not common, that's rare component. That's what this component was called in the original Cyberpunk. Then later on with the 2.0 update, they actually changed it from common, rare, or legendary to tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5, like that. So here you can actually craft this this tier 4 component using this tier 3 component. So that's how it actually works. So I'll show you how to craft this one. So you need this item too. This is the tier 5 Quickhack component. If you don't have that one, you can actually craft that one too using the component you have. So you might have the blueprint of this one, then you can actually craft that component too. So unfortunately I don't have that blueprint of this one, so I won't be able to craft. Okay, let me check here. So I don't have that one, I think, so I won't be able to craft that. So I'll need to wait. So this is how you basically craft except that Quickhack component. I think I'll have to visit some netrunner for that Quickhack component, I think. So and here you have this Quickhack tier 4 as well. So with this tier 4 you can actually create tier 5 blueprint. You need to collect the blueprint of that one, not just crafting components. Okay, that's it. I have bought 2 items. Oh, 128k. Oh my god, it's a lot of bots. So let's go and go to the crafting, and you should see your component here. You see that you can actually create this item here. So let's see if I can actually craft it. No, I need 12 of that item. So you can actually craft this item using this item, or you already have 100 of them. So okay, you can also create this tier 4 Quickhack component using this tier 3 component that I already have 209. How many of them I actually want? That's 12, just 12, right? Okay. To create all of this item. I have 6, so I only need 6 of it. So 6. So I need to spend 20 Quickhack component, I mean tier 4 component, to create this tier 5 Quickhack components. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I have them. So now I can actually craft this item. You see that? So here I'm gonna craft Militech Canto Mk6. So you needed this Quickhack component and tier 5 item component, 50 of them, and 12 of this Quickhack component, and this one behavioral chip system component 1. So you need to decrypt behavioral chip before you can actually craft this. For that, you need to go to that netrunner at the Kabuki, where she will actually decrypt this component. Okay, let's see. So I'll craft a few more. I have a lot of these item tier 4 components, so that's okay. I'm gonna craft around 55 of 55 more tier 5 component. I needed it because I needed to upgrade some of my tier 5 that iconic weapons as well. So yeah, so that's it. So I have 106 of this tier 5, then 12 of this Quickhack component. Okay, I have crafted that item. Now I can visit some Reaper, then use this Militech Canto Mk6. Okay, let's go visit some Reaper nearby. Okay, it's here. So you see that you have this Militech Canto Mk6. Now if you visit a Reaper, you can actually change the current one with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna visit a Reaper right now. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna use this item for the first time. So let's do it. I'm gonna use this item. Okay, that's it. Oh my god, I've got Militech Canto installed. So that's it. Okay, let's go and keep it there. And so I'm getting the same message from the unknown. But your future is looking ever so lightly brighter. Good luck to you. Okay, so this is the message you keep getting from unknown, and then you have this mission called moving heat. Then you have the mission called the corrosion, and during this corrosion you go to that runner and give that behavioral chip to decrypt. Then you can actually craft Militech Mk6. So that's it. So let's try using this Militech Canto. Yo, this is a Blackwall gateway. You have the option here. You see that? I can actually use this on them. So let me check. Actually, let's go to the. So you can add. You have 4 slots here. You can add any of these items as well, just like your other cyberware. So, like this, right? So, yeah. So related human nature. Intellect can do that job, no? I think I'll have to. Okay, there we have. I'm pleased to inform you that. Okay, whatever. Let's try this one. It's really good. It helps you during the fight. It's good. So that's how things actually work. That's how you use Militech MK6. Okay, guys. So I hope this helps, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
Ah!